Stacia Creek, outside my listing in Culbertson, Montana. This amazing property was constructed less than 10 years ago and sits on 1.7 acres. It has a primary master suite with an additional 2 bedrooms and another full bathroom on the main floor. It's also got an enormous chef's kitchen and a bonus room above that is unfinished. You can finish to your heart's content. It also has a detached 3-car garage, which I cannot wait to show you. Let's run inside and take a look.